Doing some laundry, and I just really need to clean up this disaster. It's kind of exploded and it's time to clean it up. Like, I need to wipe down this, like, oh, what is this? And then over here too. And I just need to clean it up, make it look nice, because it's driving me insane. You guys know how I am about that. So this is the before. I'll show you this side too. This is like the laundry area, which I thought I had a second one of these, but I can't find the second one. I do have a shelf up there that I'm not utilizing, and this just seems super crowded. So I'm going to be fixing that today. Let me show you this side again. So I will show you guys once it's all clean. Let me show you how it turned out. I'm actually really happy with it. So let me get on this little stool. I added this little sign that I got from Target's Dollar Spot. Maybe a few months ago they had a bunch of like laundry cute signs and stuff, so I did pick up that from Target's Dollar Spot. I just thought it was so cute to go in my laundry area. So let me show you an overview of what that ended up looking like. It only took me like 5 minutes or so, guys. I know sometimes we can get like easily overwhelmed, but I promise it doesn't take that long to organize a space. So I put my liquid detergent here. We use Downy. This one we got at the 99-cent store, and my laundry detergent I buy at Big Lots because it's really inexpensive there, and I believe it's the brand Sun. Where is it? Yeah, Sun. So we use that for as our laundry detergent, and it's super cheap. So these I got at 99-cent store, but they are pretty affordable as they are at like Walmart and stuff. And then over here, these little baskets are from the Dollar Tree. Let me stop this for a second because it's a little loud. So these little baskets I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I just love this color so much. It's like one of my favorite colors. Here I have fragrance boosters, and you put them, I like to use these for my towels and stuff, or my blankets, because it makes my, you know, stuff smells so good. And then I have some additional ones back here. This is OxyClean to like for Leilani's clothes to remove stains and stuff. So I love that. And I also have a Dollar Tree version of a stain remover. And then some fabric softener sheets. These are the ones I'm using right now. That's why they're over here. In this bin I have the LA's Totally Awesome Oxygen Base Cleaner. And then I also have that one. Those you can get at the Dollar Tree. And then this baking soda is also from the Dollar Tree, just to clean, or if I want to add it to like one of my loads and stuff. It's a great way to clean, and it's super affordable. And then I just have some like random little things. These are like the Swiffer dusters. You can get these at the 99-cent store. That's where I usually buy mine. They're called all-purpose handy wipes. Durable, super absorbent, lint-free, reusable, and washable, and it comes with 10. And I usually buy these at the 99-cent store. I think I already said that. And then I have these wipes. These are some big Clorox wipes. I like to use these too. Sometimes I'll get soap all over like here because I'll put the lid up here, and then I'll get soap, so I'll just clean it up with like a little wipe. And then this we used to use as our cereal little container, but I found a new home for it. I used to have another one that I used for soap and stuff. So I have the like powder form, and I have an extra box back there to refill because I don't know what happened to the other bin. And then up here I have these little bins that are also from the Dollar Tree. And these tags are also from the Dollar Tree. This says extra towels and washcloths. So I thought that was cute. And I do have washcloths. I don't have towels here yet, but here, I'll show you the washcloths. They're in here, and that way I know where they are. That's the best part about organizing. And you feel 10 times better. And over here, I just have some extra products like room sprays, Fabuloso, things like that. That is it there, and I really love how that looks. I think it turned out so cute, and you guys are gonna have to let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Let me show you over here. I didn't do too much here. I, stayed with that little basket here, and then I have some brushes in here. And then I have a lot of my dollar store like liquid detergents. And then I used this little bin from the Dollar Tree to corral some of my items like carpet cleaner, pet, odor remover, Lysol. I even have some glass cleaner, so stuff like that. And that shelf is still empty. So there is that, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you saw something that you liked. Don't forget to check out my Instagram and my Facebook page. I'll link that down below, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye!